What is the strongest belly fat burner drink to lose weight fast? Well, I will tell you today. But before I tell you how to make this drink, there are 3 things you must do in order to lose weight. Waking up in the middle of the night? This can be a sign of stress, which causes our cortisol-related chemicals to kick in and wake us up. So, how can we have a better sleep? Well, there are a few things we can do to have a restful night. Can taking magnesium help you get the rest you crave? Magnesium supplements have been shown in several studies to help make falling asleep easy, improve the quality of your sleep, reduce the symptoms of restless leg syndrome. Did you know that sleep can be affected by the intestinal microbiota? According to scientific research, it is believed that there is a strong link between intestinal health and sleep health. Natural probiotics are foods that contain live microorganisms. But you shouldn't worry. These bacteria and fungi act positively to restore the balance of the intestinal flora. Specifically, they help improve the intestinal microbiota if consumed frequently. Despite the fact that the consumption of yogurt is associated with a significant amount of probiotics, there are other foods that naturally contain beneficial bacteria for the intestine. Kefir contains numerous compounds and nutrients, such as biotin and folate, that aid in the activation of your immune system and the protection of your cells. As well as large amounts of kefir probiotics, the microbial world's special forces. Sauerkraut is the result of the fermentation of cabbage leaves, commonly called pickled cabbage. It is a must-have probiotic food due to the massive amount of good bacteria on it. It is also high in fiber and vitamins C, B, and K. Kombucha is an ancient elixir with cleansing, energizing, and antioxidant properties according to traditional Chinese medicine. It is a green tea drink that has been sweetened and fermented by the action of a symbiotic colony of bacteria and yeasts known as SCOBY. Remember that if our body and mind are not well rested, our organism will not function properly. Probiotics not only benefit your gut and sleep, but they are also excellent for weight loss. Okay, let's talk about the magical drink that will help you burn fat quickly. Apple cider vinegar can help you to lose weight, lower cholesterol, reduce blood sugar levels, and also improve the symptoms of diabetes. Vitamins A and B are abundant in apple cider vinegar, as well as essential fatty acids. It is high in phosphorus, tannins, calcium, potassium, magnesium, sulfur, sodium, zinc, iron, fluorine, silicon, and boron, among other minerals. It regulates the pH of the blood and detoxifies it by eliminating toxins and controlling cholesterol. It is used to treat muscle pain, inflammation, sprains, and arthritis pain. To take advantage of its benefits, we must consume apple cider vinegar on a daily basis and include it as a staple in our diet. Let's look at 3 ways to get the most out of it. Add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water, stir and drink it before your main meals. If you can't stand the taste, try adding some honey or stevia. Simply toss 2 teaspoons of vinegar into your salads. You can also do it with vegetables like spinach and cauliflower. The trick is to take 2 teaspoons before main meals to benefit from its slimming properties. Because of the great success of this natural weight loss remedy, health food stores have created capsules containing this component, which you should take as directed. To conclude this article on using apple cider vinegar to lose weight quickly, we'd like to emphasize that apple cider vinegar is magical, but it's not a miracle. It is pointless to take these 2 teaspoons per day if you do not engage in daily walks and a healthy diet. Remember that this vinegar is a supplement to your weight loss plan and will help you lose weight gradually. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and smash the like button.